Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to install VS Code on your MacBook. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll open my Chrome and just type download VS Code for Mac, and from here visit the VS Code website and click on download and install VS Code. So what this will do is start downloading the VS Code file. Let me check if this is working. Yeah, you can see this has started downloading. Once this is downloaded, always make sure to click on this folder and double click on the zip file, and you can see fine. This will start verifying the VS Code. I'll click on open again, and there you go, the VS Code is now installed. You can set up the Copilot for free if you want with all the AI features, or you can just skip this or choose your theme, use AI features with Copilot for free. We don't want any extensions for now. I'll just mark as done, and that's it. That's how easy it is. You have the VS Code.